Hello and welcome back. This is Chapter 7 of Heidi Heckelbeck, Lends a Helping Hand. Action Plan. Heidi and Aunt Trudy needed to round up a cleanup crew to save Trace Park. First, Aunt Trudy got permission from the town of Brewster and notified Brewster's Parks and Recreation Volunteer Program. Then she sent an email asking her friends for help. At home, Heidi designed a special flyer that said, "Save Trace Park." What? Cleanup day when? Saturday, May 5th, 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. Where? Trace Park. Please bring gloves, rakes, shovels, trowels, brooms, garbage bags, and snacks to share. Heidi drew a garland of flowers as a border around her flyer and a little red wheelbarrow in the bottom corner. She showed the flyer to her parents. "It's beautiful, Heidi," Dad said, "and I would like to donate a large dumpster to your cleanup day." The next day, Heidi, Lucy, and Bruce made copies of her flyer and handed them out all over school. Principal Pennypacker even made a Save Trace Park announcement over the loudspeaker. Soon, everyone began to talk about saving Trace Park. After school, Heidi and her friends slipped flyers in the mailboxes in the neighborhood. "Do you think anyone will show up?" Heidi said. Lucy placed the last flyer into a white mailbox. "Of course," she said. "I will, for one." She held out her hand, palm side down, in front of her friends. "Me too," Bruce agreed, laying his hand on top of Lucy's. "Me 3, Heidi added. Then she placed her hand on top of Bruce's, and they were all in. End of Chapter 7. We'll see you back here soon for Chapter 8. Bye-bye.